I'm Stéphane Bertouille, a managing partner and head of the commercial litigation department of Everest. Everest is a Brussels-based law firm in Belgium with 17 partners, 80 lawyers altogether, focused on foreign companies established in Belgium or wishing to establish in Belgium, and wealthy individuals. Why wealthy individuals? Because nobody knows, but Belgium is very advantageous for the super rich. No capital gains tax, and there is a possibility to have gifts and estates at no cost. We do work mostly for middle-sized companies, as the pattern of Belgium is middle-sized. These firms work internationally. The smaller the country, the more international you've got to be. So we therefore need networking. We believe be part of a global network allows us to have a coverage all over the world. IR Global has a full coverage all over the world. Second, be multidisciplinary. It offers the possibility to meet accountants, trust companies, and not only lawyers. And three, the organization takes care of the quality control, which is essential for us. And the way the organization is promoted allows us to make a maximum of contacts in a minimum of time. This is something I cannot do by myself. And as I said, the smaller the country, the more international you have to be. The more business we can send is towards neighbor countries, because our clients have a need for neighbor countries in first instance. And we work a lot with the Netherlands, Maprima, Casey Legal, John Wolfs, and others. In Spain with Bosco Gilbert and Mercedes Clavel. For example, Mercedes did a case for us where our client was the major shareholder of a Spanish company, and the minority wanted to force him to proceed to a capital increase. Our client didn't want to because it was ill-managed. Mercedes was able to have them drop their case, convince them that the mismanagement would be a dead-end street for them, and they dropped their case. We're very happy. And Mercedes sent us some business for sparkling wine distribution, Spanish sparkling wine distribution in Belgium, how to finalize a contract, how to terminate the former contract, and what are the requirements for bottling, etc. So we had like a 1 person, 1 year business with her. Same for Italy. We worked for Marco Rotarisi, accountant, who was able also to show to the minority shareholder that he should drop any case for damages because it was mismanaged, and very happy with the case. We had also cases coming from Eastern country. Air traffic control companies. We had 2 cases where a creditor tried to put a freeze on the air traffic dues, fees paid by Eurocontrol. And we argued immunity of execution. Long cases, very interesting, very, very interesting. On the sparkling wine issue, there have been several referrals. One was how to change distributor at the lowest possible cost, because there is a law on distribution in Belgium, which is very favorable to the distributor. And a little bit like employment law, when you terminate, you have to pay redundancy. But we had also to know whether, if they distribute in cans, whether you can do it in 33 or 25 centiliters. I didn't know. I learned. The nice thing about our profession, we paid to learn, Amsterdam conference, first of all, it's 2 hours by car, door to door. It's a very convenient location. You know, most cities in America have a straight flight, direct flight to Amsterdam, which means that we have a chance to meet a maximum of correspondents. Why is it so important to us? Because if we can tell our client, I know the correspondent, I have met him, it creates confidence. The client knows he's in good hands. And that's why we attend. We attend with four partners on this conference for that purpose.